Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Place the connecting bars onto one of the frames. Make sure the bend of the connecting bar goes towards the bottom of the chair. Slide the second frame onto the connecting bars. Then place the frame upside down as shown here. Align the screw holes on the connecting bars with the screw holes on the frame. Insert the 4 seat screws into the holes. Place the seat cushion under the frame. Then align the screws with the holes on the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, loosely tighten the screws. Turn the chair right side up. Next, you'll attach the backrest to the frame. Align the screw holes on the frame with the screw holes on the backrest. Fasten the backrest with the included screws. Firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. Turn the chair upside down. Firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.